Hey team, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of February 14, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the video. So the first question is, the annual convention of Association of Domestic Tour Operators of India 2021 has been organized at which place? So the answer is option D, Statue of Unity, and it is the statue of Vallabhbhai Patel. It is located near Sarovar Dam. It is in Gujarat. It is located in Gujarat. And as here we talk about the Association of Domestic Tour Operators, we should also know the Union Minister of State for Tourism and Culture is Prahlad Singh Patel. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, how much amount has been committed by the Exim Bank through line of credit to fund the Greater Mail Connectivity Project of Government of Maldives? So the answer is option B, USD 400 million. So the answer is option B, USD 400 million. And Exim Bank stands for Export Import Bank of India, and the CEO of Exim Bank is David Raskina. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, which day of the year is celebrated as World Radio Day globally? So the answer is option D, February 13. And the theme of World Radio Day is New World, New Radio. And it is celebrated to recognize radio as a powerful medium. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, for the first time ISRO tested satellites made by two Indian startups. One of the satellites was developed by Pixel and the other satellite was developed by which firm? So the answer is option C, Space Kids India, and the CEO of Space Kids is Srimati Kesan. Dr. Srimati Kesan. And the CEO of Pixel is Awaz Hamid. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, which female athlete has been appointed as a DSP by the Assam government? So the answer is option B, Hima Das, and she currently holds Indian national record in 400 meters. I'll repeat, she currently holds Indian national record in 400 meters. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, the NDB has committed to invest how much amount into the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited Fund of Funds? So the answer is option A, 100 million, and NDB stands for New Development Bank, and the CEO of New Development Bank is So the CEO is KV Kamath. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, the Deen Dayal Upadhyay death anniversary is observed as which day? So the answer is option A, Samarpan Divas. So the answer is option A, Samarpan Divas. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, which state has signed an MOU with the State Bank of India for implementation of the e-challan within the jurisdiction? So the answer is option B, Meghalaya, and the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The capital is Shillong and the chief minister is Conrad Sangma. And as here we talk about SBI, we should also know State Bank of India CEO is Rama Mohan Rao Amra. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, which life insurance company has appointed Satishwar Balakrishnan as the CEO? So the answer is option D, Aegon Limited. So the answer is option B, Aegon, and it is India's first digital only life insurance company. So it is India's first digital only life insurance company. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, what is the theme of World Radio Day 2021? As I already said, the answer is option B, New World, New Radio. So the answer is option B, New World, New Radio. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, which one is the Indian Navy's largest mega exercise that has been conducted in the Indian Ocean region? So the answer is option B, TROPEX, and the full form is Theatre Level Operational Readiness Exercise. Theatre Level Operational Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, the National Women's Day is observed on which date in India? So the answer is option A, 13th February. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, what is the theme of Financial Literacy Week of 2021 of RBI? So the answer is option D, credit discipline and credit from formal institutions. So the answer is credit discipline and credit from formal institutions. And the Financial Literacy Week is observed from February 8 to 12. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, which movie has won the Tiger Award at the 50th edition of International Film Festival Rotterdam 2021? So the answer is option B, Kurangal. It is a Tamil film directed by P.S. Vinodhraj. And Kurangal means pebbles. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, who is the author of the book titled Turn Around India 2020 Surmounting Past Legacy? So the answer is option D, R.P. Gupta. R.P. Gupta. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, the Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Jalabhiksham campaign in which state? So the answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. And the Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, who has been crowned as the winner of VLCC Femina Miss India World 2020? So the answer is option B, Manasa Varanasi. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, the Reserve Bank of India has launched the Financial Literacy Week from which date to propagate financial education? So the answer is option D, February 8 to 12, as I already said. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, the National Women's Day of India is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of which female? So the answer is option D, Sarojini Naidu. So we celebrate National Women's Day in India to commemorate Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, the Pakistan Army has test fired its surface-to-surface ballistic missile Barbar. What is the strike range of it? So the answer is option A, 450 km. So that's it. We are done for the day. And thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us in Facebook and Instagram. I'll be providing the ID. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.